When you were writing your 2024 goals, you said you will learn how to do your own makeup. Now this is beginning of 2025. You've not still learned how to do that makeup. Okay, we listen, we don't judge. So I've taken it upon myself to show you the basic things you need, because before you even start that makeup, you need to buy. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the basic things you need as a beginner makeup artist. Please don't skip any bits, because 2025 will not go again and you've not still learned how to do that makeup. You need to tick that goal. So you guys should sit back, relax, and watch till the end of this video. So before we dive into this video, I would like you to first of all subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can help me. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video to your loved ones, and drop a comment at the end of this. So I'm going to be showing you everything inside this bag, and I'm going to be making it as simple as possible for a beginner like you that want to just start your makeup. I'm not going to make it complex. I'm going to make it simple as possible. The number one thing you need to learn as a beginner is drawing your brows. And if you don't know how to draw your brows, I already have a video. I'm going to be linking it, so click on the link up there to learn how to draw your brows. But if you feel like drawing brows is the main problem, because it's actually the big thing in learning how to do your makeup, and you don't have the strength, look at my brows. That is just me using a brow gel alone. I didn't draw these brows. And if you don't want to draw your brows, you can use this brow gel and you just highlight it. You also need a brow gel as a beginner. So this is from Zickel. In case you don't want to draw your brows, or you're going to be learning later but you want your brows to look slick, I'm going to be recommending you get a brow gel. The number two thing you need is a concealer. Yes, you need a concealer. You can get two shades, one a bit lighter than you and maybe one exactly your shade or darker than you. So you need two concealers as a beginner. Once you get your eye pencil, the next thing you need is the concealer. I would advise you go to a beauty store. They are going to help you test this concealer on your face and you're going to get the right shade. Let's talk about skin prep. I already have a video on skin prep. If you don't know, you can click on the link above to watch that video. So for a beginner, you need a moisturizer. You need to prep your face before this makeup. You just don't apply your makeup like that. This is from Embryolisse. You can get any moisturizer of your choice. You also need a grip primer. This is e.l.f. grip primer. You can also get any one of it. If you are that kind of person that you have an oily face and you always sweat a lot, I would advise you also get a matte primer. This is from Rimmel London. You can get any matte primer of your choice, but this one I am using is from Rimmel London. So these three things you need for skin prep as a beginner. Of course, there are more if you want complex things, but because you are just learning how to start your makeup and I need to make it as simple as possible for you, so that is why I'm going to be showing you just these three products. You need a foundation, so I advise you go to a beauty store and let them test the foundation on your face if it is your exact shade, so you won't be dark or light. Sometimes I don't use foundation, I do what I call powder makeup. So if you want to know all about this powder makeup, please comment down below and I'm going to be showing you in my next video. As a beginner, you also need an hand fan. Hand fan is very important for makeup. Even if you're a beginner or you're a pro, it is very important. Please don't skip an hand fan, because you don't want your makeups to be looking cakey. You want the product to sit in before you apply the next one. You need a brush set. So for this brush set, I would advise you get about 10 to 12 brush sets. Please don't get brush sets that is about 24 to 20. I beg of you. This brush set is a 10 brush set. Over time I added some of my own things, which is what you're going to be doing. Because when you get a precise brush set, I mean the brush set already has its functions. You already know this one brush is for my eyeshadow, this one is for my contour. But if you get the large number of sets, you'll be so confused, and because you are just learning, you don't want to be confused. You want to be precise as possible. So I advise you get a 10 to 12 brush sets. Don't get more than that. As time goes on, you can get more, but for now, keep it simple as a beginner. So you need an eyeshadow as a beginner. So I would advise you to get an eyeshadow that can also serve as a powder blush. Eyeshadow as a powder blush. So it's like a 3-in-1 palette where I can get my eyeshadow, I can get my bronzer, I can also get my powder blush. You want to improvise as possible and you want to make it simple as possible. So that is why I'll be advising you get this. You get a palette which is like all-purpose palette. You can find blush, you can find eyeshadow, you can also find bronzer. for beginners. Now we are going to powder. I would advise you to get a powder palette, to be honest. If I say you should get a compact powder, which is your exact shade, sometimes your foundation might be too bright, sometimes it might be too dark, and you want to like correct it with the powder. So if you get a powder palette has different shades. As you can see, it has different shades. It has your normal shades. I use this for my normal shade, I use this for contour, I use some of these light ones to highlight under my eyes and all other places, to clean the highlights under my brows when I highlight them. So getting a palette as a beginner will help you explore it, because you can improvise. Sometimes I don't use a setting powder, I use everything here to set, to bake, to do everything. So you can do that with a palette. If you're just learning how to start makeup, I will advise you get things that you can use to improvise. Then as time goes on, you realize that you need this, you need that, then you can all incorporate them into your makeup. But for now, get the basic things. The next thing you need is a beauty blender. You can use a brush for your foundation if you don't want a beauty blender, but beauty blender is very important, so you need to get a soft one. This is from Mera Cosmetics. So most of my products are from Nigeria. I get some of them from the UK, but I have my way of getting my products without me looking for someone who is coming. I don't use DHL. So I'm going to make a video on how I get my Nigerian product, because personally I believe some of these Nigerian products are actually still the best. So I'm going to be making another video on how I get my makeup products. I'm going to be recommending makeup products for you, the one I feel is the best. But in this video, I'm just going to be telling you what you need. If you want me to recommend for you, please let me know in the comment section below, and we are going to be recommending in our next video. You also need a blush and a contour. So this is from made by Mitchell Curve Case. So this has blush of different shades and contour of different shades. As a beginner, you need this, but if you don't like blush, you can skip this part. Yeah, you can do without blush, but if you like blush, this part is very important. I am a blush person, I don't know about you. You need a setting spray and a fixing spray. So this is a setting spray, which is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is Seal It. So there are other products as well. You can get other products, just so that you're getting a setting spray and you're getting a fixing spray. This is to make your makeup last all day, and this is to set your makeup, like to make it cool after everything. It's going to like give it that very calm, cool effect, if you get what I mean. Also need an eyeliner and mascara. My mascara is not here, I don't know where I get it. And if you're a lash girl, you can also get your eyelashes as well, but if not, you are good to go. This is a baking powder. Like I said, you can make use of the palette to improvise, but if you just want to, you can get this. It's actually very important as well, but I said as time goes on, you're going to see all the things you need. But for now, just get the basic things you feel like they are necessary. They are like for everyday makeup. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So you need your two favorite lip combo. If you're a beginner, you just need your favorite lip combo. If you're a nude girl, a red girl, whatever you like, get it. And also get a lip liner. Now you can use your eye pencil to serve as a lip liner, but in this lip combo, I have a brown shade and a nude shade, and I have a lip gloss. You need a lip gloss. You don't have any choice as a beginner, because the way lip gloss elevates makeup, I don't understand. Lip gloss is that girl. It makes your makeup from 0 to 100. So that will be all for today's video. I hope I've been able to help anyone who is just looking to start makeup and you don't know what to get, and you're confused on what to get, and you want to do everyday makeup. I hope I have been able to help you with all these things I have listed here. If you want a video on the products I get, where I get them, please let me know in the comment section. If you also want me to be applying this product and how to improvise as well, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section anything you want to know about makeup. I'm not a professional as well, but I can tell you that I can do my everyday makeup, and I can also do makeup for other people. I have a makeup page which is Anna Glams. I'm going to link it here, so you guys should follow me and see some of my makeup works that I do in the UK. So that will be end of today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video to your loved ones. Please, the only way you can support and tell me you like this video is by subscribing to my channel and sharing my video and watching my video. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.